That's not an angel up there. That is Seal.
Videoing?
Yes, we're videoing.
You might want to stand back, because I'm about to push the button.
Standing back. Button. Man, look at how smooth that baby rides.
It's not all the way up, is it?
No, it's
Close.
not quite.
Alright, let's...
Look at that sexy truck sitting out there. Oh, she's going back down. We'll be back for trial 2 in just a second. Alright, trial 2.
Numero dos. That is a lot quieter. That's almost all the way up, isn't it?
Pretty close, but
It needs to go up a little further.
it needs to go up just a tad more.
We can't go too much further, but I can turn it, let it go another 3 inches.
Yeah, 3 inches is more than enough, I think.
Now, let's see what happens when it goes down.
Wait for it, and bam. And
You ready?
yep.
Didn't get much closer, did it?
Not really.
Okay.
Bye-bye, little truck. Bye-bye. Yeah, the triangle right there, that would be some moose and seal rigging going on.
Yep.
That's what's keeping that baby hanging in the air. So
You ready to go?
let's see what happens this way.
A little better. Almost there. How much closer? Yeah, we know how much more room.
That's more than enough, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It clears the.
Yeah.
It clears that, so that's perfect.
That's more than enough.
That's
Definitely.
perfect right there. It's right where we want it.
Thumbs up, baby.
I think we did it.
Yes, sir. Awesome.